Finding working coupon codes for Domino's Pizza can be a challenge, but with the right approach, you can enjoy significant discounts on your favorite pizzas. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you find working coupon codes for Domino's Pizza in 2025. First, visit the official Domino's Pizza website and sign up for their email newsletter. This will give you access to exclusive promotions, discounts, and coupon codes that are not available to the general public. You will also receive notifications about new deals and offers as soon as they become available. Next, follow Domino's Pizza on social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Many companies offer special promotions and coupon codes to their social media followers, and Domino's Pizza is no exception. You can also use social media to stay up to date with the latest deals and offers. Another way to find working coupon codes for Domino's Pizza is to use online coupon code websites, such as RetailMeNot and Coupons.com. These websites aggregate coupon codes from various sources and allow you to search for codes by store or category. You can also read reviews and ratings from other users to help you determine which codes are working and which are not. In addition to online coupon code websites, you can also use browser extensions such as Honey and Coupons at checkout to find working coupon codes for Domino's Pizza. These extensions automatically apply coupon codes at checkout, saving you time and money. When using coupon codes, make sure to read the terms and conditions carefully. Some codes may have restrictions or requirements, such as a minimum purchase amount or specific menu items. You should also be aware of the expiration date of the code, as most codes have a limited time offer. Finally, you can also use cashback apps such as Ibotta and Rakuten to earn cashback on your Domino's Pizza purchases. These apps offer a percentage of your purchase back as cash or credit, which can be combined with coupon codes for even greater savings. By following these steps, you can find working coupon codes for Domino's Pizza and enjoy significant discounts on your favorite pizzas. Remember to always read the terms and conditions carefully and to use a combination of methods to maximize your savings.